The process of delisting that we've had to go through, though unfortunate, is something that's driven by the deliverables and the regulatory requirements and the needs that had to be put into place. Fundamentally, it is not about diluting any of the accounting standards or in terms of not being able to report things transparently. It is a question really of timelines in which one had to report that across. In the case of the SEC, we've had to comply with a particular regulation wherein we would have had to report it through closures across 7 cycles. And that was becoming difficult at this stage in the timelines that we had in front of us. So the option was really to either seek an extension, which we did work across with them, or the other option was to delist and to make sure that at least we are able to comply with some of the regulatory needs that are there for the stock exchanges. So we chose that. I just want to reiterate once again that it is in no way indicative of anything that's not been unearthed. It's a question that everything's been unearthed. The 2 financial year reportings that we're going to do across are very clearly indicating really the extent of the entire issue that was there in front of us, as well as where we stand at this point as far as closure on those is concerned. So for us, it's a new beginning. It is something that we are totally clear about in terms of reporting. There's a lot of effort that's gone into putting this whole thing together. As a stakeholder in the firm, fundamentally, I'd like to assure every person concerned, whether it's a shareholder, it's an employee, it's a partner, it's a customer, that we've gone out of the way to make sure that there's total transparency. The records and accounts that we are stating is absolutely accurate, and it reflects the actual position in terms of where we stand. What has really resulted in the delisting is the technicality that we were not able to go across 7 cycles of annual things wherein you had to close accounts that way. So that's the only technicality that's not been met. Everything else in terms of reporting, in terms of transparency, in terms of the reporting of detailing has been complied with at this point of time.